Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla battery partner Panasonic to start building Kansas factory next month. Tesla Semi accelerates with otherworldly speed and sound in new video. Tesla bot showcases its strength by lifting a piano with a single motor. And Tesla to add traffic announcements in future software update. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla battery partner Panasonic has stated that it intends to start the build-out of its Kansas plant this November. With such an aggressive timeframe for the facility, Panasonic is reportedly looking to start mass production at the plant by March 2025. With its Kansas plant, Panasonic is making a serious play for the United States' fast-growing electric vehicle segment. Panasonic is already supplying batteries for Tesla through Gigafactory Nevada. The upcoming Kansas plant is expected to provide batteries for Tesla's Gigafactory Texas facility. Back in July, Panasonic noted that it had picked Kansas as a new site for its battery factory, though later reports suggested that the Japanese conglomerate is looking at a possible Oklahoma facility as well. Panasonic, for its part, has stated that it expects the upcoming Kansas plant's initial production capacity to be around 30 gigawatt-hour. Kansas officials have shared their excitement for Panasonic's new battery plant. State officials noted back in July that the facility is expected to create up to 4,000 jobs with an investment of up to $4 billion. In a statement, Kazuo Tadanobu, president of Panasonic Energy, explained that the company is looking to strengthen its battery production capacity in North America. As the global shift to EVs accelerates, we are looking into ways to strengthen our battery production capacity in North America and meet the growing demand from our automotive partners, Tadanobu said. As noted in a Reuters report, Panasonic would be producing 2170 cells in its Kansas plant. However, expectations are also high that the Japanese company would be producing Tesla's newer and larger 4680 cells in the facility. Tesla and Panasonic are currently working together to develop 4680 cells, with the Japanese battery maker expected to start production of the new batteries in Japan during its next fiscal year. Moving to the next update, Tesla Semi accelerates with otherworldly speed and sound in new video. The days of swearing under one's breath when one finds him or herself stuck behind a semi-trailer may be coming to an end, at least to a point. With the Tesla Semi in the picture, faster, quieter cargo trucks will likely be the new norm. This was teased as much in a recent sighting of the Class 8 all-electric truck. When the Tesla Semi was unveiled in late 2017, CEO Elon Musk made it a point to highlight that the vehicle's performance would be quite unlike anything that's on the road so far. Musk noted that the Semi would be able to accelerate to highway speed in about 20 seconds with a full load, which is nowhere near as fast as a regular Tesla, like a Model 3, but way faster than a traditional diesel hauler. This was shown recently in a short video of what appears to be a production Tesla Semi pulling a trailer and accelerating from a dead stop. The video of the vehicle was short, but one could see that its speed and power were remarkable. Interestingly enough, the Semi also had an otherworldly, futuristic sound while it was ripping ahead. The Semi's acceleration and performance have not really been discussed much, partly because Tesla critics have widely considered the Class 8 all-electric truck as a vehicle that would never be released. However, Tesla executives have confirmed that the Semi's first deliveries to PepsiCo are indeed happening on the 1st of December. The Tesla Semi's first deliveries will likely be quite an event, with CEO Elon Musk stating during the third quarter earnings call that he would be in attendance when the EV maker hands over the first semis to PepsiCo. Musk has also made it a point to highlight that the Semi would be a no-compromise vehicle, especially when it comes to cargo. We will begin ramping up production of the Tesla Semi, which is a heavy truck. That's a Class 8 truck, no sacrifice to cargo capacity, 500-mile range. Just to be clear, 500 miles with the cargo. Yes, 500 miles with the cargo on level ground. It's excellent. But the point is, it's a long-range truck, and even with heavy cargo, Musk said. Moving to the next update, Tesla Bot showcases its strength by lifting a piano with a single motor. Tesla has showcased the strength of its actuator technology for Tesla Bot, its humanoid robot, by having a single-leg actuator of the robot lift an entire piano. Part of the logic for Tesla to venture into creating a humanoid robot, which doesn't seem aligned with its mission to accelerate the advent of sustainable energy and transport, was that the automaker felt like its vehicles were already robots on wheels. Tesla believed that a lot of its existing technology and expertise would transfer well to a bipedal robot, and therefore, it felt like it was in a good position to deliver on this potentially world-changing idea of having functional humanoid robots. For example, like its electric vehicles, the robot is powered by batteries, it is equipped with the same self-driving computer and similar sensor suite to power its vision system, and Tesla already has experience developing electric motors and actuators, which are also used to power robots. Konstantinos Laskaris, Tesla's principal motor designer, has been in charge of developing electric motors and actuators for Tesla's vehicles for over a decade at this point. His team has now been tasked to develop actuators specifically for Tesla Optimus, the latest version of the Tesla Bot. At Tesla's AI Day last month, the company unveiled the latest Tesla Optimus prototype, equipped with Tesla-designed actuators for the first time, rather than off-the-shelves products. Unfortunately, the prototype was so recent that Tesla wasn't ready to make it walk just yet at the event. The robot is equipped with 28 structural actuators, including 2 primary leg actuators. While it couldn't show it walking, Tesla has decided to now release a new video showcasing just how strong Tesla Bot's primary leg actuators are by having a single actuator lift a half-ton or 500 kilograms concert grand piano. Tesla's Laskaris is the one playing the piano in the video. At its AI Day, Tesla did note that it believes its latest robot equipped with its own actuators should be able to walk in the coming weeks. Tesla doesn't often produce marketing videos like this one, but maybe we will get one with a walking Tesla Bot soon. Moving to the last update, Tesla to add traffic announcements in future software update. According to a hidden asset in the latest 2022.40 branch of software updates, it looks like Tesla is planning to add a new feature to its vehicles' traffic announcements, TA. As the name implies, TAs are broadcast over the vehicle's speakers to inform drivers of local traffic updates, even if they are not listening to local radio and instead streaming media. When a traffic report is broadcast through the radio data system, the audio of whatever you are listening to is muted and the traffic announcement is automatically played. According to Not a Tesla app, this feature is hidden in the 2022.40 update based on this asset image discovered in the source code. The report speculates the feature may have been originally scheduled to be released in 2022.40, but may have been removed because it was not ready for a public release. RTA could be implemented as described here, or it could be slightly altered to cater to another new feature that was recently announced to be coming soon through a free over-the-air software update. Earlier this month, Emergency Safety Solutions said it had partnered with Tesla to add new technology to help prevent crashes into disabled vehicles. One piece of that technology is sending digital notifications to cars of an upcoming disabled vehicle on the side of the road. RTAs are fairly limited in their use, only being used by a small number of automakers, including BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, and Land Rover, to name a few. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.